Today I'm going to show you how to create snippet in HubSpot. So you go to conversation, snippet, and then, okay, so you go click create snippet. Snippets allow you to create reusable blocks of text that you can access quickly through keyboard shortcuts. So get started by entering a phrase or line of text that you find yourself typing often, like a greeting or meeting agenda. So let's say this one here we have like a welcome new clients, and then we can say, for instance, like welcome to our company. So with this one here, you can add any property. You can add personalization token. You can if you want to make it like, let's say, for instance, some other style, you can use bold, italic, and so forth. And then to use a snippet, type the hashtag symbol followed by the snippet shortcut you enter above. The snippet will then appear in the text editor. So here, let's say, for instance, welcome. It's going to be our shortcut word. So we click snippet, save. Then we go to the email. So now when you are replying to the customer, so let's say, for instance, hi there. And then we need our snippet, welcome. You can see welcome. You can see welcome to our company, the same way that we have it here. Yeah, so this is the way that you create a snippet. And then if you want to like clone, move, delete, so you can also do so. So to delete, click delete, boom, the stuff has been deleted. Okay, so this is the way that you create a snippet in HubSpot to use it in your inbox and replying to the clients with those kind of like those block of text that you always that is going to help you to kind of like to make those snippets to become reusable and to use them easily when you're trying to reply to the client. Thank you so much. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more.